Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 3. Just anything I've had to eat down.
We are at C&R restaurant in Chinatown.
C&R short for, well, short for
Restaurant. Food is just arriving.
Ooh.
Look at that.
It's tasty.
That's not the, it's a very different version to the one I had.
With the cucumber?
Sure, but don't
You're gonna have to
take
take
too
some-
much at once.
It's spicy.
Wow. Oh, it is quite spicy.
Whoa.
It's got loads of flavour.
Loads of flavour, right? Isn't that just like a punch in the face?
Thank you. Thank you.
It's like
Scrumptious.
fishy, vinegary, spicy. These are my favourite noodles in the world.
These are crazy good. Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my god.
Is that the one? That's the one. Great combo.
It's so other.
This one is the most unique, for sure.
Can something be the most unique?
It's the furthest away from any other dish.
But you can't be very unique.
You can't be very unique.
Can
no.
you? Technically.
You can be the most.
Yes. If you were to rank the uniqueness of each dish, there would be one that would be on
Be the
top.
most
Uniquest in itself is the word is describing something that's unlike anything else. But if we go for a little bit of this gloopy rice,
Yeah. With what are we
and
pairing?
then we're gonna go a little bit of this Asam Laksa. Bring me that
Try
bowl.
and get some
Bring me
of
that
the
bowl,
fish.
boy.
Yeah,
You want a bit of that fish?
Yeah, yeah.
Hang on, wait. We're going fishing.
Hey. Oh, caught a big one.
Got a big one. There we go.
Okay. Let's give this a try. It's the most unique. This is when I wish I was a food critic, so I could describe exactly that taste.
There's a sourness
Yeah.
that's
Sharpness.
perfectly balanced by like sort of fatty spiciness from like the fattiness from the fish.
But also like the saltiness from the anchovies.
Very salty. I'd say rather than describing it as most unique, you could say it's the furthest away from something the palate, an English palate eating typical English food would ever experience.
Yeah, that's true.
There's nothing adjacent to that you could ever eat in the West.
On a yeah. In a
But it's that predominant flavour is sweet and nothing.
Yeah, and we've tried soy sauce before.
Yeah.
This again, stir fried rice.
But this is also, it's
This one-
smoky, it's got a char to it.
Yeah.
But those are flavours that we're used to, whereas this, almost indescribable.
Unfamiliar.
I think that may be why when I tried it in Malaysia, it stopped me in my tracks so much, and I still think of it as my favourite meal ever, because it was that moment of having been away from home for so long. It was that moment where through the food, you have this sudden realisation of just how far away from everything you're used to you are.
It's
And
almost another otherworldly.
exactly experiencing an alien
Yeah.
life form.
It is. It's like got a completely
Whoa,
different.
super intense at the bottom there. Whoa. I think I ate something I shouldn't have. Maybe like a massive piece of ginger.
Wow.
Wow,
It
that
is
was a crazy
completely
bite I just had.
unfamiliar.
Whoa.
I love it.
Okay, I'm done. I'm actually done.
Are we tapping out?
You've been you. We've been your boys. We're gonna keep eating until it's all gone, but we won't keep you around for that.
I'm hitting a wall.
So Which bar? Oh, no, it's in the UK.
Bye bye. Jokes.
Ivory Coast.
Oh my god. Don't take it away. Oh my god. And then we got
Ideally, really, I'd work 4 hours, 3 or 4 hours. You got a website?